Here are all the tracks from the 2023 Atlantic hurricane season. So far, it's been very busy out there. You probably have noticed we've been talking about hurricanes and tropical storms a lot. We have our 13th named storm out there now. We've had 3 hurricanes. We do expect Lee to become a hurricane as early as today and probably a major hurricane at some point this week. This is the average through the day, 7, 2, and 1. So that would be 7 named storms, 2 hurricanes, and 1 major hurricane. And you see the forecast there from NOAA. That was the updated forecast in August. So this is Tropical Storm Lee. Does have winds of 65 miles per hour, gusts up to 75, moving towards the west northwest at 14. It is getting pretty close to hurricane strength, and it is forecast to become a hurricane later today and become a major hurricane this week. And you notice it's going to continue to move generally towards the west northwest over the next several days. Here are the spaghetti models over the next 7 days. Pretty good agreement through most of the period. Then they kind of spread out just a little bit as we go into day 6 and 7, and then kind of turn more towards the north. So again, this will be a storm we'll be watching pretty closely. As far as those tropical storm force wind chances, obviously pretty high chance, basically in the open ocean over the next several days, and a chance for hurricane force winds, obviously a little bit lower, but you'll notice they get pretty close to the Lesser Antilles, even over towards Puerto Rico. So again, this will be a storm we'll pay close attention to. This is the European model showing a major hurricane off the southeastern coast, it looks like next week, and even the American model showing basically the same thing, but it does move it a little bit faster towards the north. But to say exactly where this is heading, we don't know for sure. This is one we'll pay close attention to over the next 7 to 10 days. Here is a comparison of the European and the American models showing a major hurricane moving towards the continental United States. And as of right now, it does show them, both of them show it kind of turning more towards the north. So again, we'll keep our fingers crossed that does come to fruition. Also watching this area here coming off the western Atlantic, Hurricane Center gives out a 60% chance of further development. So we may have another storm out there. But here are all the names so far of our storms. And as we mentioned, we've got Lee out there, expected to become a hurricane and then a major hurricane sometime this week.